In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Rev Points for flights on Revolut. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your Rev Points, how to search for flights, and how to apply those points at checkout so you pay less out of pocket. First, open the Revolut app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in, your app is up to date, and you have a stable internet connection. If you haven't opened Revolut in a while, updating it helps ensure you see the latest rewards features and the most accurate flight options. Next, head to the rewards or Rev Points area. Depending on your region or app version, you might see it on the main screen, in the bottom navigation, or under your profile here. You can view your points balance and often see the value of your points toward travel. If the label looks slightly different in your app, don't worry. The section that shows your points and perks is the right place. Now browse the travel section inside rewards or Rev Points. Look for an option related to flights or travel booking. This is where Revolut aggregates flight options and shows you which ones can be discounted with Rev Points. It's a good idea to glance at any notes about availability, participating airlines, and potential regional limitations before you search. From there, search for your flight. Enter your departure and destination cities, travel dates, and the number of passengers. Use filters to refine your results by airline, cabin class, or departure time. If your dates are flexible, check for nearby days to spot better redemption value. Also review baggage details in the results so you know what's included and what might cost extra. When you're ready to book, choose to pay with Rev Points at checkout. You may be able to cover the full amount with points or do a mix of points and cash if your balance isn't enough. Some versions of the checkout let you adjust a slider to decide how many points to apply. Keep an eye on the displayed conversion rate and note that taxes or certain fees may still require a cash portion depending on your plan and location. Finally, confirm your booking. Carefully review passenger names, dates, times, baggage, and fare rules such as refunds or changes. Once everything looks good, complete the purchase. You'll see the confirmation in your app, and you should receive an itinerary or e-ticket shortly after. If you used a mix of points and cash, the balance will be charged to your Revolut account or linked card. And that's it. Open Revolut, go to rewards or Rev Points, browse travel, search your flight, pay with Rev Points, and confirm. Enjoy the savings and your upcoming trip.